What is up, guys? It's your boy Rex here and welcome back to the channel, guys. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys another step-by-step method I can use to start making some sales on CLICKBANK, guys. So all you have to do is follow the method step by step till the end, as I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do this and start getting some results with free traffic, guys. So no investment is needed for you to get started and start making some sales with this method. So if you are new to the channel, guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel to get notified anytime that I post new videos on how to make money online, CLICKBANK earning methods. And if you want to learn how to make some extra money fast online as well, be sure to click the first link in the description to learn more. So let's get into the video, guys. Let me show you guys how you can do this step by step. So the first step, guys, you're going to go to CLICKBANK and you're going to be promoting one particular product, guys. So we're going to be promoting one particular product with this method I'm going to be showing you guys. I'm going to show you guys the product that if you make only 2 sales of the product, you're going to be earning up to $112 per day if you make only 2 sales of the product, guys. So I'm going to show you guys step by step. So we're going to go to CLICKBANK affiliate marketplace, or we're going to go to the marketplace to choose the product we're going to be promoting. So the product we are going to be promoting for this example, guys, is a product in home and garden. So we go to home and garden and click on home and garden. We're going to sort by gravity, and that's going to be the top converting product, guys. So this is the product we're going to be promoting, guys. So the main reason we're going to be promoting this product is because this product has been on CLICKBANK for many years, guys, and it's been one of the top selling products on CLICKBANK for many years, and it's still making a lot of sales, guys. You can see has a high gravity of 128, which means that affiliates are still making a lot of money from this product, guys. You can see, guys, you're going to get up to $56 per sale, guys, and if you go to the affiliate page, you're going to find a lot more reasons why you should go and promote this product, guys. So we go to the affiliate page. You're going to see that you can make up to $125 per sale if you are going to be promoting this product, guys. And we scroll right down, guys, you're going to discover that you can make a lot more money from this product, guys. So you can see there are many back end offers. So you can see the main offer is $67, the second offer is $49, then there's an upsell and downsell, guys. So this is the funnel of the product. So you're going to be making a lot of money if you're going to be promoting this product, guys. I can see, guys, this is a product that has been on CLICKBANK home and garden category for many years. So this is a product you want to promote what is already working. So what you're going to do, guys, you're going to go and promote this product with this method I'm going to be showing you guys. So the next step we are going to do from here, guys, we're going to go to Instagram. So we're not going to be promoting this product with Instagram. The next step we are going to do is that you're going to go to Instagram, and what you're going to do, guys, you're going to search for woodworking. So go to Instagram and you're going to search for woodworking. So let's say woodworking. You're going to find a lot of Instagram pages that are talking about woodworking, guys. So there's a lot of these woodworking pages on Instagram. So let's check out some of them. So these are some of them. You can see some have videos, some have only pictures. You can see, guys, they have a lot of engagement on this post. So let's check out some other ones. So you can see these are a lot of images that people are already posted on Instagram, guys. I'm going to show you guys how you can use this post and make money from it without using Instagram. So you're not going to be using Instagram for this strategy, guys. So what you have to do is go to Instagram and you're going to search for woodworking. You're going to find a lot of this type of pages, guys. So once you find a lot of pages, guys, the next step we're going to do, guys, are going to download these images. So you're not going to be posting these images on Instagram. I'm going to show you guys the strategy you're going to be using to make money with this particular method. So what you're going to do next, guys, you're going to copy the URL of the page, and we're going to download these images, and we're going to be promoting it in another site. So we're going to copy the URL. We're going to go to this website, guys. So I show you guys in some of my videos this website, gramsave.com, is going to help you to download any image from Instagram very easily. All you have to do is go to gramsave.com and you can just paste the URL. So all you have to do is paste the URL of the page, paste, and click on download, and it's going to be able to download the images, guys. So for you to download these images, guys, all you have to do is click on download. So you're going to click on download, and all these images are going to be downloaded, and you're going to be able to use these images with this method I'm going to be showing you guys. So let's just download some of them. So let's download this one. So let's download. So I'm going to download many of these images, guys. For this example, I'm just going to leave it like this, and that's all, guys. So once you have found these images and download, guys, the next step, guys, we're going to be promoting this product on Pinterest, guys. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how you can promote this particular product on Pinterest. I'm going to show you guys examples of other CLICKBANK product affiliates that are already promoting this product on Pinterest, and how you can go and model what they are already doing on Pinterest, and you can also start getting a lot of free traffic and start making some sales with this particular product on Pinterest. So firstly guys, let's go to Pinterest. Let me show you guys the examples of other CLICKBANK affiliates that are already using this method to make money on CLICKBANK, guys. So we go to Pinterest, and let's say you go to Pinterest and type, for example, and just type Test Woodworking. You're going to see a lot of results of people that are promoting this product on this website, guys. So these are different websites. So you click on this, you can see this Test Woodworking. You click on this, it's going to link you back to the website that is going to take you back to CLICKBANK, guys. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do this step by step. So you can see it's going to take you to a review page. So it is a review of the product, and there's a link linking back to the affiliate offer on CLICKBANK, guys. So click on the links here, guys. It's going to take you back to the products on CLICKBANK. So let me show you guys some other examples. So if you go back and type, for example, free woodworking plans. So if you type, for example, free woodworking plans, you're going to find a lot of other results of different people that are providing these results on Pinterest, guys. And what you're going to see, guys, that all these people are doing, all they have to do is post these images on Pinterest, guys. So they don't have to do any extra work. All of these post these images on Pinterest and link it back to the affiliate offer. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this step by step, guys. So you can see all these are woodworking plans, guys, that people are posting on this website. So this is a very huge niche that you can go and start making a lot of money from Pinterest, guys. So you can see only suggested results of woodworking plans that people are posted on this website, guys. So let me show you guys one of the profile that I can go and model after this video that are promoting woodworking projects, guys. So this one of the profiles. So you can see this one is a woodworking profile on Pinterest, guys. You can see they're getting up to 688,000 views every month, guys. So all they have to do is post these images and they're linking back to the affiliate offers from this profile, guys. So you can see these are all woodworking projects. So we click on any of the images. So let's click on any of these images. So let's click on this one. So let's click on this, for example. And if you click on this image, it's going to take us back to the website, guys. So let's go back to the website. I can see, guys, it's going to take us back to their website that is going to give some simple tips on woodworking. And you don't have to do all of this, guys. You don't have to have a website to use this method I'm going to be showing you, guys. So you can see it's just going to give some tips. And what you can see, guys, in the tips, guys, you can see that this is the third woodworking product on CLICKBANK, guys, that is included in this article. So if you click on this link, it's going to take you back to the offer on CLICKBANK, guys. So these are affiliate links. So this product is converting very well that you can go and promote it as well. So a lot of affiliates are already promoting this type of products, guys. So this one is going to Wood Profits, which is another product on CLICKBANK as well. So you can promote this type of product, you can promote this product, or you can promote the third woodworking product using this exact method I'm going to be showing you, guys. So you have this, you can go and model this profile after this video, and you can see exactly what they're doing to get traffic back to the affiliate offers and make money selling CLICKBANK products, guys. So this is another profile as well. So you can see this one, this is a big profile. You can see it has up to 1.7 million views as well, and they're all doing with woodworking, guys. So this is woodworking. So all of these post woodworking images and some woodworking tips and link people back to the affiliate offer. So what I want to do, guys, I want to go to Pinterest and you have to set up an account similar to woodworking. So you're going to type your name similar to woodworking. So you're going to be posting these woodworking images and you're going to be linking them back to your affiliate offer. So once you set up an account, so you can just go and model this account. If you're going to be promoting this product, you can model this particular account and you can set up a similar account like this, guys. So once you have done that, guys, now you have to create the images. So we need to use the images that we downloaded from Instagram. And what we want to do, guys, is that you are going to go to this website. You're going to go to this website, canva.com. The website is completely free, so you have this, sign up for a free account on Canva, and it's going to enable you to create Pinterest graphics and images very easily, guys. So when you sign up for a free account, all you have to do is click on create design, and you're going to scroll down. You're going to choose Pinterest graphic. So all you have to do is click on Pinterest graphic, and you're going to be able to create a graphic that is easy to be posted on Pinterest, guys. So all you have to do is click on upload. So you're going to click on upload. I'm going to upload those images that we just downloaded from Instagram. So all you have to do is click on upload. I'm just going to find some of these images. So these are the images that we just downloaded, and we can just upload them, guys. We're just going to upload them, and we can just use these images and post them back on Pinterest, guys. So let's say, for example, let's say we're just going to choose this one. We're just going to click this one, for example, and that's all. We're just going to increase the image like this, and that's all, guys. All you have to do is you can add some simple text about this image, and we're going to link them back to our affiliate offer. So what we're going to do from here, guys, we're just going to add some text. So you can just click on text and just click on add text. We're going to write simple text that's going to make people to go back to our affiliate offer. So we're just going to write something like, get your free woodworking plans, and that's all, guys. All you have to do is write some simple text like this, and you can just leave it in the image. So you can just change. So let's say, for example, we're just going to change the color of the text. So you can just change this, and you can take a little more time to customize this, guys. So all you have to do is take these images from Instagram. You can customize them on Canva, and all you have to do from here is, once you have customized them, you have taken a little bit more time to customize them, all you have to do is click on download. So you're going to click on this, click on download, and that's it, guys. It's going to be downloaded. So the next step, guys, you're going to go to Pinterest, and you're going to save this on Pinterest, and you're going to link it back to your affiliate offer. So once you have created your account on Pinterest, guys, so once you have created your account that is in woodworking, guys, so all you have to do is go to your account, and you're going to click on create pin. You're going to click on create pin, and I'm going to upload these images on this website, guys. So all you have to do is click on this, and you're going to select the image that we just created, and that is it, guys. And all you have to do is write a simple title. So all you have to do is write the title, guys, is that you're going to model the title of the other ones, for example, of these other ones. So you can just click on any of this, and you can model the title. So you can just write, you can model this type of titles, but for this example, we're just going to write free woodworking plans. So download free woodworking plans, and that's all, guys. All you have to do is write a simple description about the woodworking plans on CLICKBANK, guys. So all you have to do is write a simple description. So you can just go back to the affiliate page, and you can get some of this text, and you can just change some of these, guys. So we're just going to delete this one, for example, and that's all. We're just going to write at the end that click the image to learn more. And that's done, guys. So the next step, guys, we're going to go back to CLICKBANK Marketplace, and we're going to get our affiliate link, guys. So all you have to do is click on promote. You're going to get your affiliate link, and you can paste it on Pinterest, guys. So we're going to choose this. I'm going to write a tracking ID, for example, Pinterest, and that's all, guys. We're going to click on generate hub links. I'm going to copy our affiliate link, and you don't need to shorten your links, guys. So you are going to paste this link exactly on Pinterest. You don't need to shorten your link. If you shorten your link with Bitly, it's not going to be accepted on Pinterest. So what I want to do, guys, they're going to just paste this link like this on Pinterest, guys. So all you have to do is click on select a board, so you can create a board. So you are going to be doing woodworking. All you have to do is create boards, like for example woodworking board, and that's all, guys. We're going to click on create, and we're going to publish it on that board. So we're going to click on publish, and that's, guys, your post has been published on Pinterest, and you start getting free traffic back to this pin, guys. So all you have to do is see your pin. So let's see how your pin is going to look like. So that's how your pin is going to look like, guys. And all you have to do is, if they click on this image, so this your affiliate link is pasted on Pinterest, guys. So if they click on this link, it's going to take people exactly straight back to your affiliate offer, and anyone that buys this product, guys, you're going to make a sale. So that is how simple it is to promote CLICKBANK products on Pinterest, guys. All you have to do is go to Instagram and download these images and just customize them on Canva, guys. So customize the images on Canva. You can take a little more time to customize these images on Canva, and you're just going to link them back to your affiliate offer, guys. So let's say you want to make another graphic. All you have to do is click on the uploads. You can just change, you can delete this one. All you have to do is very easy. You can just add this other image, and that's it, guys. You can just increase the size of this, and that's it, guys. It's very easy for you to customize images on Canva and link them back to your affiliate offer, guys. So you have to do is take a little more time to customize this, and all you have to do is download this, create them as much as possible, and you can just upload them on Pinterest, and a lot of people are going to click on these images, and they're going to go back to your affiliate offer, guys. So you can just write simple text like this, or you can just merge two images. So you can just merge two images, for example. So you can just choose two images like this, and you can just merge them. So you can just add two images on one place, and that is a simple graphic, guys. So you can take a little more time to customize this, and you just paste them on Pinterest, guys. What you're going to do, guys, you're going to get these amazing images from Instagram, and you're just going to join them or write simple text on them and create them on Canva and upload them on Pinterest, guys. So that's a simple method, guys. All you have to do is take a little more time to create these simple pins and put them on Pinterest, and you can start getting a lot of free traffic and can start making some sales, guys. As you know, guys, the product is converting very well. The test woodworking product, you know, anyone that is interested in woodworking, a lot of them are going to be interested in buying this product, and you can make up to $125 plus per sale promoting this one product, guys. So all you have to do is go to Pinterest, and you can go and start creating these pins and linking it back to your affiliate offer, guys. So that's a simple method, guys. If you found one in the video, guys, be sure to leave a like on the video and also subscribe to the channel to get notified time that I post new videos on how to make money online, CLICKBANK methods, and online earning methods. And you want to learn to make some extra money fast, be sure to click the first link in the description to learn more. So that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.